What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. Today we are going to talk about module import. For example, if we want to import module, we just use import and module name. And if we want to import function in module, and we use from module name and import function 1 and function 2. Alright, let's demonstrate it. Alright, we take a random module as an example. We use import random and set min and max equals 1 and 10. And we set an answer equals random module and randint function min and max. And we set a while loop, while true, and we set a your number equals int input guess a number between 1 to 10. If your number equals answer, and print bingo. If your number smaller than answer, and print guess bigger again. And else print guess smaller again. Alright, we execute it. Guess a number between 1 to 10. We guess 5, guess bigger again, and we guess 10. Wow, bingo. It is very easy, right? Today we have talked about how to import module, and we use random module as an example and write a program for guessing the number. If you like this video, please keep thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.